I'm a retired nurse. I'm 67 years old, and there is a history of kidney problems in my family. My brother had kidney failure, and so did my father. So when I went for my regular checkup about a year ago, it was in May of 2021, my doctor noticed that my EGFR levels were low, and they had kind of hovered around 60 before, but this time it was 51. And so she mentioned that she wanted me to start drinking plenty of water, exercise, stay away from anything that would stress my kidneys, like Tylenol or ibuprofen, any kind of medications. But I was also taking metformin, which she told me she didn't think that was a problem. But I had read in the past that metformin can cause some kidney issues. So I did all the things that she said, and I went back in 2 months to have my blood work done again. And this time my EGFR had gone down even more. It was 49. So at this point, I was really worried because, like I said, I have that history in my family, and I was afraid that this was happening to me. And as a retired nurse, I know what those numbers mean, and I know that kidney disease usually progresses, gets worse and worse. And so I decided to look out and see what else I could find that might help me. And so I looked on the internet, and I did find this kidney solution program. And I listened to the testimonials, and I looked into the things that this guy was saying made a lot of sense. And so I bought the program, and I looked at the manual that they have and read all the information. And what really struck me was that he said his mother-in-law had started having kidney problems similar to mine. And so I decided, well, what can it hurt? Even though I'm kind of skeptical because I'm in the medical field, I decided, well, it can't hurt me. I'll try it. And if it doesn't work, I'll stop. And so I did. I bought ingredients for the tea, and I bought the supplements, and I went on that program. And when I went back to my doctor, nephrologist this time, my numbers had gone back up. And I think that they went up because of the teas and the supplements, because nothing else really did I change anything else in my lifestyle. My diet has always been good. I'm diabetic, so I always watch what I eat. I exercise. So that was the only things that really changed, were that I was taking that tea. And I think that's what made the difference. All right, thank you.
There are many natural therapies available. Combined with appropriate dietary and lifestyle changes, you can both reverse kidney damage and protect from further damage to your kidneys in the future. Get an effective step-by-step program proven to start healing your kidneys today. Take action by clicking the link below. You'd be surprised how well this works.
If you're ready to take action, click on the link below this video now.